Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Trust Wallet on your Android phone. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. In order to start using Trust Wallet on your Android, the first thing you'll need to do is to download and install the application. So open your Google Play Store from your Android phone. Go to the search box at the top and type in Trust Wallet. Once you come across this application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading Trust Wallet on your Android. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile crypto wallet app that allows you to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. It is crucial to download Trust Wallet from the official Google Play Store. After the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to launch Open Trust Wallet on your Android phone. Now the next step is to create a new wallet for Trust Wallet. Tap on the Get Started button and on the next page, go ahead and tap on Create New Wallet. Now you will need to back up your secret phrases to protect your wallet. Either tap on Backup manually or tap on Backup to Google Drive. If you tap on Backup manually, you will need to select all of the text boxes on the next page. Make sure that you do not take a screenshot of the recovery phrases which will be displayed on the next page. Make sure to write down your secret phrases in a correct order, offline, and in a secure location. If you are ready to view your seed phrases, click on Continue. Make sure to write down those secret phrases displayed on the screen and tap on Continue. Now confirm your secret phrases by writing down by tapping on the correct answer of the below seed phrases and tap Confirm. On the next page, you will need to create your passcode for extra layer of security. Type in your passcode in the text boxes and confirm it by re-entering it once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new wallet on Trust Wallet. Tap on Start using Trust Wallet and you will then end up in the main home page. The main screen displays all of your overall crypto holdings. You will see the total value and individual balance for each cryptocurrency you hold. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and then use the search bar to find specific cryptocurrencies you want to buy, sell, or trade. From the Receive button located at the top of the screen, you can generate a unique address for each cryptocurrency you want to receive. Whereas the Send button will help you send cryptocurrencies to another wallet. To access your settings, tap on the Gear button at the top left corner. You can here manage your security settings, notification, and other preferences. The next step we are going to learn is to delete your wallet. If you ever want to delete your wallet from Trust Wallet, remember that deleting your wallet permanently removes your access to your cryptocurrency unless you have your recovery phrase. So in order to delete your wallet, go to the top left corner and tap on the Gear button. Click on the Wallets tab and select the wallet you would like to delete. Tap the three dots right next to the wallet you would like to delete, and then, first of all, before deleting the wallet, make sure you back up your secret phrases. You can either back it up on a Google Drive or manually, and once you've backed up your phrases, you can tap on the trash can icon at the top right hand corner in order to delete this wallet. Confirm by tapping on Delete again, and you will also need to enter your passcode. Once everything is done, you will now be able to delete your wallet for Trust Wallet. Now that you've deleted your wallet, you have no longer access to your wallet. If you want to get back to your wallet again in the future, or if you've accidentally deleted your wallet, you can easily recover your wallet by using your seed phrases. Soon after you open up Trust Wallet application, click on Add Existing Wallet button. Now from the options, you can select either Seed Phrase option, Google Drive Backup option, or View Only Wallet option. To recover your wallet, tap on Secret Phrase. Select your network from the list and enter the secret phrases that you previously backed up for your wallet. If you don't have your secret phrases, you will not be able to recover your wallet or get access to your wallet. Make sure to type down the secret recovery phrases in the correct order. After you are done, tap on Restore Wallet and you will then be able to access your wallet again. All you need is your recovery phrases and you will be good to go. Now you will be asked to create a passcode once again since we are recovering the wallet, so make sure you do that and you will be able to restore your wallet back again. So those were some of the basic steps you can follow in order to use Trust Wallet as a beginner on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.